Hello sir, may I know your name and where do you stay?
My name is Kuldeep Emma and I stay in Silver City Sector 93A.
What is your child's age?
I have two kids. One is Anmol, his age is 13. Another is Ansh, his age is 7.
What were you looking for them?
Basically, Anmol, we, before 2 years back, we used to live in Bangalore, and he used to go to Brajesh Patel Academy there. And when we shifted here, he used to go to JBM, which was Mahmood Kyab's academy. We were basically looking out for coaching center where the key person, like we have Mr. Sabah Kareem here, we had Mr. Mahmood Kyab there, Mr. Brajesh Patel, and then they were part of one of the academy where Mr. Anil Kumble was part. But in all these places, I personally felt that the involvement of the key coach is not to that extent, and expectation from this center, because they have been here from the word go, from the day this academy has started. And when I had gone and met Mr. Sabah Kareem at that point in time, I had asked this question, how much would be your involvement with the academy? And at that point in time, whatever he had said, that his involvement will be very high. And in these, I would say, close to a year, I have seen that his involvement with the kids is very, very high. Though he is very busy these days, we know he's part of the selection committee, but even then I have been paying frequent visits here, and I have seen him here, most of the time. So that is something very good I like about this place.
Which other cricket academies did you look for?
In fact, when there is Mr. Yuvraj's academy here, and there are a few more academies. But then, this is the one which I had shortlisted and selected because I was able to meet to the senior coach, Mr. Sabah Kareem, and I was able to communicate with him, which was not the, I didn't get any chance to talk to Mr. Brajesh Patel or to Mr. Anil Kumble or to Mr. Mahmood Kyab when I had put my kid there. So that is the difference.
So you finally chose Sabah Kareem Cricket Academy.
Yeah.
Can you share us the reason as well?
Though it was new, one was the concept was, it was creation of talent here. I think the concept wise it was very good, and the execution of that concept over a period of time. If I say in last, I have been watching this for quite some time. I have seen whatever they had committed, they have been able to deliver that. So that is the reason.
Based on experience, tell us two more good things which you really like about them.
I will give you a real life example. When I put my elder kid here, he's pretty tall, and he wants to be a fast bowler. His action was very pathetic, and over a period of time, if I see him now, his action has improved drastically. Moreover, the younger one he was 6 when he joined here, and in 4 or 5 months' time, he could rotate his arm. I mean, say, I can tell you there are very few kids in his age group who can really turn the arm, and he is able to keep the seam straight. I think, and I have seen that in the batting technique also. When he goes back home, the younger one, forget about the elder one, he goes and he basically tells me that this is the front foot, this is how the shot should be played, and all that. I think it is good coaching out here, which is actually inculcating those basic technical stuff into these guys, which are going to be long lasting.
And anything that could be better?
See, there is always scope for improvement, but I would say, since these guys, they are sticking to the basics, they are teaching the kids the basic techniques and stuff like that. They have a physical trainer here, which is very good. I personally, I don't know what to comment on, but I think they have an all-round development of a kid in terms of his physical fitness, in terms of his bowling, in terms of his batting, in terms of fielding, all those technical details, and they are teaching them actually, how those things should be done.
Last question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Sabah Kareem Cricket Academy to other parents?
To be frank enough, I would rate this at 5. Because I have seen other academies, not that they are not good, not that they have not produced great cricketers. They have produced great cricketers. One is, this is new, fresh ideas from Sabah. The concept he has brought in, fantastic. you have all-round development of a kid. It's not only the technical part of it. It is basically his physical fitness, which is very, very important. It is the technique, bowling, batting, fielding technique, So it's an all-round. And it looks like a family here. Frankly speaking, I happened to speak to Sabe. He called me once and said, Kuldeep, I think you need to take care of your elder son because we have to focus on his fitness and all that. So it looks like, as if you have handed over your kids to someone, who is much more productive than a father or a mother can be. So that's what I can say.
Thank you for sharing your feedback, sir.
Thank you.